Well,
Viva!
actually, as a watcher of the series, I totally felt all the characters. So that means that you all really did great because you were able to actually translate your character into that person that you are actually living the role in the series. So that's just really amazing. Sorry guys, it's just the Filipino energy. You know, we keep on shouting. Sorry guys, that's just how much they love you guys. No, I'm not part of the series. when they shout on the screen, what do we have to do? Nothing. Just feel all the love. It's love actually. I thought we had to like scream back. Shout? Yeah, you can. Can you scream? You are in the Philippines and it's normal in the Philippines. No, but I know they got a little more closer. The band get a little more closer. The friendship keeps on growing, and maybe there's more relationship into it. That's actually the bond of MGI sisters also. Yeah, but there can be more. I just want you guys to keep on shouting. Okay, let's head to another question. Well, this question is for Enfa. Okay. So, your character is the leader type, very badass and dedicated. But when it comes to someone she likes, I'm not yet done. But when it comes to someone she likes, she becomes awkward. I saw it. In real life, would you say you are similar in this regard? Have you been awkward like this with someone?
ตัวละครของตัวเรื่องนี้นะคะจะเป็นคนที่เป็นผู้นำเป็นแบดแอสก็คือเป็นคนที่โหดเป็นคนที่ทุ่มเทแต่เวลาที่คุณมีความรักคุณ
CJ, ang galing mo, CJ.
แล้วก็เหมือนกับว่าคุณที่คุณรัก
Ang galing mo, CJ, mag-go.
แล้วคุณรู้สึกคุณทำอย่างนี้กับใครหรือเปล่าคุณเป็นอย่างนี้กับใครหรือเปล่า
ถ้ามีแฟนก็เป็น
If you have a girlfriend, yes.
If we see Enfa being awkward, then someone she likes might be somewhere just near. But she did answer the question like directly. She said yes. Yes. Did I say it right? Okay. Okay na kayo? Okay na tayo? Yeah? More. Ush! No. Next question is, okay, I know you guys are gonna scream. For Charlotte. No, thank you. I think you should shout back. So for Charlotte, your character, Dr. Ron, went through a lot of trauma from the past and up until her present. He even got kidnapped and hurt. How did you prepare for such heavy scenes and how did it feel that there's Lieutenant Tu, your knight in shining armor, ready to save you?
ของชาร์ลอตเวลาที่ได้รับบทหมอรันเนี่ยรู้สึกจะมันทนมากผ่านความเจ็บปวดต่างๆมากมาย ตอนนี้มีการเตรียมตัวในการรับบทนี้ยังไงบ้างคะแล้วก็รู้สึกยังไงบ้างที่มีพระเอกขี่ม้าขาวอย่างตุลมาช่วย
Well, I have to say that Dr. Ran been through a lot, and the way I prepared is I have to say, because everyone knows that I have kind of like a panic attack, right? and some of the scenes I had to use that in real life. It's not good, but it helps me and it makes the scene like go too fast. I'll do that, but it's not healthy for the mental health. But I know that. So yeah, it's not recommended, but it's my type of how I used it, and I feel good when people come and save me, not just in the series. It's good to have someone to always think of you and always keep you safe. Someone who looks after you. Are we feeling kilig? Well, I don't know how to describe kilig to them. There's no exact word, but because they're saying, oh, anybody's kinikilig. Kinikilig means it feels like everything is going slow motion. There are butterflies in your stomach, you feel all the love. Or something like that, is it right? Yes! Oh, I'm good. But Charlotte was saying that sometimes she gets some panic attacks, but she was able to use, I would say maybe it's a weakness, but she was able to use that or turn that into maybe a power or something that she can use for her character. But she's saying that it's not recommended for you guys to do that if your work is the same or something, okay? But then she was able to still go and push forward through the series even if there are moments that she even feels panic attacks. Because she had someone to look after for her. Okay, we move forward. I know you guys are gonna shout. I'm gonna give you a minute for Mina! Okay, the next question is for Mina. We know your character did a lot of groveling and trying to win May back.
Yes,
You were exes. What's your stance on exes getting back together? In real life, would you also be the one trying to rekindle the old flame?
เรียกว่าคำถามนี้ก็คือเหมือนกับว่าในคาแรคเตอร์เนี่ยต้องการที่จะวินแบ็คคู่รักเก่าของเราใช่ไหมก็คือพยายามทำทุกอย่างที่จะคืนดีแล้วก็อยากจะถามว่าคิดยังไงกับอดีตคนรักที่จะต้องกลับมาคืนดีกันนะคะ แล้วก็ในชีวิตจริงถ้าในชีวิตจริงเนี่ยคุณจะพยายามเป็นคนที่จุดผ่านไฟเก่านั้นหรือเปล่า
เข้าใจความรู้สึกของคนที่เลิกกันแบบที่ยังรักกันอยู่มากๆอะไรอย่างเงี้ยต่อให้เราเลิกกันไปนานแค่ไหนมันก็คงจะลืมไม่ได้
First of all, I kind of understand the lover or couple that have to end up the relationship when they're still much in love. It's very hard and it hurts.
ถ้าเป็นเมียก็ถ้ายังรู้สึกรักอยู่คงจะกลับไปนะคะ
For me, if I still very much in love, of course I'll back. I'll take it back.
Then I would say that's true love. Yes. Kayo din ba, nagkabalikan ba kayo ng mga ex nyo? Wait, grabe yung hindi Grabe yung pang hindi. Tapos mamaya i-chat nyo na. Tama? Wow! Balik! No, I'm just joking. But she's just saying if there's truly, love there, if you really truly love someone, then just go all the way. And if it's not for you, then it's not really for you. But if it happens, then that's true love. Right? Tama!